Vibrational alignment, tuning into your frequency. Understanding vibrational alignment. Everything in the universe is energy, vibrating at specific frequencies. From the smallest atomic particles to the vast galaxies, everything emits a vibration. This concept, deeply rooted in quantum physics and metaphysics, implies that our personal energy frequency determines the reality we experience. The thoughts we think, the emotions we feel, and the actions we take all contribute to our vibrational state. When we align ourselves with higher frequencies, such as love, gratitude, and joy, we attract experiences and people that resonate with these vibrations. Conversely, when we dwell in lower frequencies, such as fear, doubt, or resentment, we encounter more of the same. The key to living a fulfilling life is to consciously tune our personal frequency to match the experiences we desire. The science behind vibrational frequencies. Scientific research supports the idea that thoughts and emotions impact our energy field. Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiments demonstrated how words and intentions alter the molecular structure of water. Since our bodies are primarily composed of water, this suggests that our thoughts and emotions directly affect our physical and energetic state. Similarly, studies in neuroscience have shown that positive thoughts rewire the brain, strengthening neural pathways associated with happiness and success. This means that by intentionally cultivating positive thoughts, we can shift our vibrational frequency and transform our reality. Aligning your habits, environment, and thoughts. 1. Habits that raise your frequency. Your daily habits play a crucial role in determining your vibration. Simple practices can make a significant impact on your overall energy state. Morning routine. Begin your day with gratitude, affirmations, or meditation. This sets a high-frequency tone for the rest of the day. Movement. Engage in physical activities such as yoga, dancing, or walking in nature. Movement releases stagnant energy and elevates your vibration. Healthy nutrition. Consume foods that are rich in life force energy, such as fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Processed and artificial foods lower vibrational frequency. Hydration. Drink purified or structured water with positive intentions to enhance your energetic field. Rest and recovery. Prioritize sleep and relaxation to allow your body to restore its optimal vibrational state. 2. Creating a high vibrational environment. Your surroundings significantly influence your energetic state. Cultivating a space that resonates with high frequencies enhances your ability to maintain alignment. Declutter. Remove unnecessary items from your living and workspace to create mental and energetic clarity. Nature elements. Incorporate plants, crystals, or water features to introduce natural high-frequency energy. Lighting and color. Use natural light and uplifting colors to create an atmosphere of harmony and inspiration. Sound. Play high-frequency music, such as classical, binaural beats, or nature sounds, to maintain an elevated state. Aromatherapy. Utilize essential oils like lavender, rose, and frankincense to enhance your environment's vibration. 3. Thoughts and emotional alignment. Your thoughts and emotions are direct indicators of your vibrational state. By consciously choosing uplifting thoughts and feelings, you can align yourself with your desired reality. Mindfulness. Practice being present and aware of your thoughts to prevent negative spirals. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reprogram limiting beliefs and elevate your frequency. Visualization. Imagine yourself already living in your desired state, reinforcing its vibrational presence in your life. Emotional awareness. Allow emotions to flow without suppression, processing them in a healthy manner. Gratitude practice. Focusing on gratitude instantly raises your vibration and attracts more abundance. Exercise. Creating your vibration menu. A vibration menu is a personalized toolkit of activities, music, spaces, and habits that uplift your energy. By consciously curating your menu, you can ensure that you maintain a high-frequency state consistently. 1. Music selection. Music has a profound impact on vibrational alignment. Different frequencies can evoke various emotional states. Choose music that resonates with your desired energy. Healing frequencies, 432 Hz and 528 Hz promote relaxation and healing. Uplifting music, songs with positive lyrics and upbeat rhythms elevate your mood. Nature sounds, ocean waves, rainforest ambience, and birdsong create a calming atmosphere. 2. Activities that uplift you. Identify activities that bring joy, relaxation, and excitement into your life. Creative expression, painting, writing, dancing, or playing an instrument. Physical movement, yoga, running, hiking, or any movement that brings joy. Acts of kindness, helping others and practicing compassion boosts your vibration. Spiritual practices, meditation, breath work, and energy healing align you with higher frequencies. Laughter and play, engaging in humor and fun activities instantly raises your vibration. 3. Spaces that support your frequency. Your environment should be a sanctuary of high-frequency energy. Identify spaces that make you feel elevated. Sacred spaces, create a meditation or reflection corner in your home. Nature retreats, visit the beach, mountains, or parks to recharge your energy. Social circles, surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. High-vibe locations, seek out places infused with positive energy, such as spiritual centers or wellness retreats. Integrating vibrational alignment into daily life. Implementing small, intentional changes daily leads to long-term transformation. Keep a journal to track your vibration, noting what raises or lowers it. Over time, you will naturally see with your desires, you will notice synchronicities, effortless manifestations, and an overall sense of peace and fulfillment. When you take control of your energy, you take control of your reality. By tuning into your frequency, you unlock your that resonates with joy, abundance, and harmony. Wave function collapse, choosing your reality. Concept and collapse suggests that all possible states of a system exist simultaneously in a superposition until an observation or interaction forces. At any given moment, countless possibilities exist for our future. Our decisions act as the observer that collapse. The wave function of our reality collapses, and a specific path materializes. This principle suggests that we are not the bridge between potentiality and actuality. Every choice, no matter how small, is an act of creation. It solidifies our path forward. Recognizing this can help us overcome analysis paralysis and make bold, decisive choices. Many people struggle with decision-making, fearing the loss of alternative possibilities. This hesitancy is stagnation rather than a better outcome. The quantum perspective suggests that making a decision is what brings a possibility into existence. In other words, until you commit to a path, all options remain hypothetical. Consider the paradox of Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment in which a cat in a box exists in a superposition of being both alive and dead until someone opens the box to observe its state. Similarly, your choices remain unrealized until you actively make them. By avoiding decisions, you remain in a state of uncertainty and inaction, unable to influence reality effectively. From a practical standpoint, this means that clarity and momentum come from action, not hesitation. Whether it's choosing a career, making a financial investment, or deciding on a fitness routine, committing to a choice is more powerful than waiting for the perfect option to emerge. The perfect moment rarely arrives, but taking action ensures that progress is made. To apply this principle in daily life, it is essential to develop a mindset of decisive action. By recognizing that every decision shapes reality, we can approach choices with confidence rather than fear. Understanding that no single decision is absolute or irreversible can also ease the burden of making the right choice. In most cases, adjustments can be made along the way, allowing us to refine our paths as needed. Exercise. Use the 5-second rule to make bold choices daily. Mel Robbins, in her book The 5-Second Rule, introduces a simple yet powerful technique to overcome hesitation. Count down from 5 and take immediate action before doubt creeps in. This method leverages the brain's natural tendency to overanalyze and interrupts the cycle of indecision. By forcing yourself to act within 5 seconds, you collapse the wave function of possibilities into tangible reality. Steps to implement the 5-second rule. Recognize the moment of hesitation. When you feel yourself procrastinating or overthinking a decision, become aware of it. Count backward from 5, 5-4-3-2-1. Physically move toward action. Whether it's making a phone call, writing an email, stepping onto the treadmill, or voicing an opinion, take action immediately. Reinforce the habit by repeating it daily. The more frequently you practice this, the easier decisive action becomes. Reflect on outcomes. Notice how many opportunities and improvements emerge simply because you chose to act. By applying the 5-second rule, decision-making becomes less daunting and more intuitive. Rather than allowing fear or doubt to dictate your actions, you train yourself to embrace decisiveness. Over time, this builds confidence and momentum, making bold choices a natural habit rather than a struggle. Real-life applications of wave function collapse in decision-making. 1. Career and business decisions. Many people hesitate to switch careers, start a business, or pursue a passion because of uncertainty. However, without taking the leap, all potential futures remain hypothetical. Those who act, even with limited information, often find success through adaptation and perseverance. 2. Relationships and social interactions. Opportunities for deep connections arise when individuals take the initiative. Whether it's approaching someone new, expressing feelings, or setting boundaries, decisions shape relationship outcomes. Avoiding action leads to stagnation, while decisive choices create meaningful connections. 3. Health and fitness. A common struggle in health is the reluctance to commit to a new routine. Many wait for the perfect time to start exercising or eating better, but action is the only way to see results. Deciding to act now ensures progress, while hesitation leads to prolonged inactivity. 4. Financial investments. Investing involves risk, but waiting indefinitely for the best moment often results in missed opportunities. Those who take calculated risks early benefit from long-term growth, whereas those who overanalyze may never enter the market. Overcoming analysis paralysis. Analysis paralysis occurs when overthinking prevents action. People often get stuck evaluating pros and cons endlessly, fearing regret or failure. However, this stagnation is itself a decision to do nothing. How to overcome analysis paralysis. Set a decision deadline. Give yourself a fixed time frame to make a choice. Trust your intuition. Your subconscious mind processes vast amounts of data. Sometimes, gut feelings are more reliable than prolonged deliberation. Limit information overload. Too much data can lead to confusion. Focus on key factors rather than trying to account for every possible scenario. Accept imperfection. No decision guarantees a perfect outcome. Growth comes from action and adjustment, not perfection. Conclusion: choose your reality with confidence. By understanding wave function collapse, we recognize that reality is shaped through our interactions and choices. The world does not unfold in a predetermined manner. Instead, it is molded by our decisions. Indecision keeps us trapped in a realm of possibilities, while action creates tangible results. Embrace the power of choice. Use the 5-second rule to break free from hesitation, trust in your ability to make bold decisions, and step into the reality you want to create. By applying these principles daily, you move from passive observation to active creation, shaping a future that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Each moment presents infinite possibilities. Which reality will you choose? Get your copy now on Amazon and start living quantum.